Hello, and welcome to KineMaster Quick Tips. Today, I'm here in wherever I am to tell you about how to do a simple text scroll, a simple credit scroll. It's super easy to do in KineMaster, and actually, look, I got one right here. Oh, huh, huh. To make a text scroll, simply tap a video or photo in the primary timeline. We'll use the video clip we just recorded. In the option panel, tap Clip Graphics, then More Title Effects, and then scroll down to Credits. Simply add the text you want into the box. Note that you can enter multiple lines of text here. Choose your text color. You can adjust where the title scroll starts and ends within the clip by dragging these yellow bars here. Putting them closer together will make the credits scroll by faster. And now, let's play that video back. Ah, perfection. That's it. That's how you do a text scroll in KineMaster. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure you come back to our channel for even more tutorial videos in the future. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, follow, not that one. The rest of them. Do the rest of them, though.